say? The person say, I have to pay them how much $100 to do this. Mr. Virgin, you're a madman. No, I'm not going to take my song for... If you say you're Garveyites, you people are saying that you are Garveyites and you're showing respect to Marcus Garvey. And I did this song to show respect to Marcus Garvey. I want to see the song as the song to represent this celebration. I don't want me, the artist, to sing the song to pay Uno to use it. And Uno should not pay me. I don't want no money from it, neither, because I show respect to Marcus Garvey. So, why you don't want me to pay it? Yeah, if Mr. Bridget, I ain't not pay nothing, Bridget. If you don't want to use the song, use the song. But why you don't want to go down in my pocket? This is how wicked and evil these people in Jamaica are. Who says they are representing reggae music and dancehall music culture in Jamaica. They are a bunch of liars and wicked and thief and evil people. And it's going to catch up with them down the line. Enough of them are going to suffer for the evil and wickedness they want to do to people. You know how much artists save up their little money? Starve themselves, save up their money. Because they want them things to go through. And take it and give to you. And only about the people them money. And sometimes I don't even play the people them songs. I want to play it one time or two times and fling it under the carpet. Very good songs them where the world should hear about and the Jamaican people should hear about. And hear about these artists here in Germany and Europe. From Jamaica that is representing the culture over here. But on a carpet them. On a wicked. You understand? Which one of them ever send the Gleaner, the Star, the X News, CVM, TVJ? Which one of them ever send any one of these establishments to Europe, to Germany, to highlight and take a story of what is going on here, to show what we are doing, how we represent the culture here as artists and musicians, to take back home to show to the Jamaican people.
So do you really think that they are aware of what you guys are doing in Germany?
Of course they are aware. They are aware. They know about us. They know about us. Me name Shakin Murray and me I say this. They all know about us. You understand? But true, them are liar than thief and wicked. And from them can go down your deep, way down your bottom of your pocket. And sometimes them bury your career for push for them favorite artists. I know what's going on. Because sometimes we in a Germany send some bad song to Jamaica. When we say bad, you don't know what I mean. And then bury them. Because they have some artists where them a push and then know say if them push some of them songs where we send go to Jamaica for highlight, them know the damage rate I go create. You understand? So me know what them a deal with. Them are some set of wicked and me a cuss or no. Because me angry and me vexed. You know see it? And then, let me tell you something. The whole of way up here in Germany, me can name you some artists. Hi Shakin Murray, Anthony Locks, Yamik, Bobo Israel. I can name a list of artists here. Singing Goal. I can name a list of artists here that are so good. Ross Flabber, Iryman, Fire Blacks. Great artists them. then try to bury we under the carpet. We rub shoulder to shoulder with most of the artists them will come from Jamaica and come here. We rub shoulder to shoulder with them on stage, on festival. And then I do nothing what we not do. All of them know about it. The artists them, the media them at Jamaica, all of them know about we here in Europe. But then I've been with we. They leave we out here like when you just leave a child out in the water, in the middle of nowhere in the ocean to drown. You understand? And when we go to Jamaica, no one come deal with you like say we are idiot. And put out some little artists where respect to every artist. I'm going to say this, respect to every artist. But when we as veterans were in this business for so many years, that 25 years now, me live in Europe and I carry on this mission here on this battlefield, at the battlefront, in the belly of the beast. Here is where they farm the Illuminati and all these things. But right now, the heart of that, we stand up. I blaze fire. We not just die Jamaica, blaze fire and run through here, so I run go back to Jamaica. We stand up in the heart of the big Gideon. So we are the real Gideon on the battlefield, musically. You understand where I come from?
So,
and then now, when you don't want to come take now, some little people, and I go on like you don't want to put them in front of man, and I go on like way, and we don't figure do some research for we too. Because we done great work in this. Seeing? And me don't know about no artist, me I demand my own. Because sometimes you have to demand what you want. Me, I demand my own. Shocking Murray is demanding his own. Demanding what I should get. Because I deserve it, because I work hard for it. Sacrifices, enough sacrifices me make. I made a lot of sacrifices and still making it. For this reggae music and dancehall music business where you say I go on about ya.
So Shocking, do you think that because Jamaicans are more familiar with England, that they will more want to big up the artists them from England more than Germany? How many Jamaicans really know say you have reggae artists in Germany?
Everybody knows a reggae artist in Germany because let me tell you something. One of the biggest festivals in Germany is called Summer Jam. And every year when Summer Jam is happening, you find hundreds or thousands of Jamaicans from England come over for this festival. Them know what I go on. Everybody know what I go on. And when I speak for England too. Don't think that I speak for Germany, Switzerland, Austria, and all these places. See, I'm talking for the artists them in England. Because the same way them I deal with them too. You know how much talented Jamaican artists that England. Me I talk for the whole way across the Atlantic. You know, see it. And me I telling you now, you people in Jamaica who in the music industry, who sit on top of the music industry, you all should be ashamed of yourself. Because you people are not doing your job in the right and proper way. You're all about money. You're greedy, you're wicked, and craving, wanga got. You're belly go swell till it bust. You're wicked. No found this jockey on the radio in Jamaica, you're wicked. Somehow you're going to suffer. I speak of our experience. I not just get up and talk, so. And this is how one speak when them hungry. I am a hungry man. Do I have a right to be angry? Sure. Do I have a reason to be angry? Yes.
Well, I think men like you, Shakin Murray and what's that other artist, Bushman, and them the artists are very good artists, and they're not being heard. They make some good song, conscious songs, and they're not being heard. And Wilfred Williams need to step up, because I think if some of these youths hear some of these music that you guys put out, there wouldn't be so much violence that goes on in Jamaica. You know, can calm them down. Them need to rethink and revive.
You are perfectly right. I'm going to tell you something. I do a song called Johnny.
Yes.
And I do that song for a special reason. I also did the video for the song in Jamaica. I recorded the song here in Cologne, Germany, by a producer called Uptown Blaze, a Kenyan, very, very talented brethren. And we produced Johnny. I went to Jamaica, I shot the video with Skanka. And the way I script out the video, and the way we film the video, we want to send a message to the youths in Jamaica to show them, say, look, this is not the way. People, anybody listening to this thing, go and research Shakin Murray, Johnny. Google it, YouTube it, Spotify it, and watch the video and listen to the song.
Very good song. On point.
Because I sit here in Europe, in Germany, and I don't like what is going on in Jamaica with the gun violence. And the youth say my life is wasting away. And I decided, said, okay, I have to do a song. I write out that the youth them sit and say, this is not the way. So the youth then can have a different mindset. When I did the video,